A bluebird. Once upon a time, there was a bluebird who was born in a nest on a big tree. He grew up fast, and one day his mama asked him, "Why don't you learn to fly and fly off as your brothers and sisters have?" "I really want to, but I am scared," replied the little bluebird. So, while the other young birds tested their wings, the bluebird sat in his nest and watched them practice flying. At night, he would wonder what was beyond his nest, beyond the big tree. "Mama, Mama, what is out there?" he would ask his mother. "Nothing. Now go to sleep and don't bother me," his mother would reply. However, he could not believe that there was nothing beyond the big tree and knew that he must investigate. But first, he needed to learn to fly. The next morning, the little bluebird was gone. Then everyone wondered where he was. "Nothing. Where is this nothing? What is this nothing?" thought the bluebird to himself. "I must find out what nothing is. Is it high? Is it low? Is it green? Or does it glow?" he asked himself. He needed answers to his questions. And since there was no one he could ask, he decided to find the answer on his own. Soon he flew across a pool of blue water. He had never seen anything like it but wasn't sure if this was the nothing he was looking for. "What is it that you are looking for?" someone asked him. "Nothing," he replied. "Okay then, come with me," said the green bird. And so the blue bird joined the green bird. Suddenly, a flock of colorful birds flew by. "What is it that you are looking for?" they asked. Then the green bird replied, "Nothing." "Okay then, come with us," replied the colorful birds. Then the green bird flapped his wings and joined the flock. At once the blue bird too did the same and forgot about his fear of flying. They flew high, they flew low, they flew here, they flew there. "How wonderful it is to fly!" exclaimed the bluebird. Soon it was time for him to go back home. When he got back home, his mama, brothers, and sisters were worried but also curious to know what the little bluebird was up to. "Where have you been? What have you seen?" asked his siblings when he returned home. "How did you manage to fly so well?" asked Mama Bird. "Nothing," replied the bluebird as he fluttered his wings. "Come with me," exclaimed the bluebird. Together they flew high, they flew low, they flew here, and they flew there. They flew everywhere. The moral of the story is that we must overcome our fears and get out of our comfort zone to truly experience life. If the bluebird had never flown away from his nest or his comfort zone, he would have never explored nothing. Hesitation and doubt always exist. It is how you go through life, constantly pushing these boundaries that really matters. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.